This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Welcome home to this inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home featuring a desirable split floor plan and generously sized rooms throughout. The spacious living room offers a cozy wood-burning fireplace and built-in bookshelves, creating multiple focal points and added character. Brand new windows and updated flooring give the home a fresh, move-in ready feel. The nicely sized kitchen includes stainless steel appliances and plenty of workspace and nice sized dining area. The private master suite features a large bedroom, double vanity, walk-in closet and a walk-in shower. Enjoy the outdoors on the expansive deck, and take advantage of both an outbuilding and a shed for storage. Conveniently located less than 5 miles from downtown Blairsville, close to shopping, dining, and local amenities. Call me today. For more